us here today. We are playing Minecraft again, part 2. I don't like the nighttime, so I had to turn it back today, but oh no, there's way too many creepers. Please don't blow up my very poor house. I'm just going to grab my other crafting table. Put it in. Close. Put that in in case someone wants to come. And grab some more wood, perhaps. Maybe. Should I move out? Okay. Okay. Let's swim. Okay, it's way too skinny. There. And here. Okay, let's go grab these trees. I just wanted to show you that I can swim the correct way in Minecraft. So this time we're grabbing much more wood. I had birch trees, but now I'm gathering oak wood. But guys, if you didn't know, we're going to Toronto today. Not gonna make a video because our dad and mom hate having their voices in videos, so sorry. And you can see but I can see my house. There, now let's run back home. No, that was mine. I need it. Get back in case of something. Okay, let's go gather some meat. Yes. I need an anvil to fix up the floor. Is there any more cows? Nope. Okay, I can make billions of oak planks for 4 floor. My roof looks good. Oh no, better not scare them. I'm breaking my door because... Oh no. Oh no. What? Oh no, warning, headphone users. Users? least that creeper's not there.
I don't think.
That was scary. That was scary. Very, very scary. We won't fill the under of here. It's good. I don't know. Okay. So the voices won't come in. Oh no, it hurts something scary. Okay. Never mind.
Just mine. Oh, no. No, mine.
I can make some armor. I can make wooden swords. I need more. I need a white bed so I can go to sleep nicely. So campfire. I can make a bowl so we can drink yummy soupy. Okay. What can I make? Oh, I need a bed. I need a bed. I need a bed. Okay, let's go grab my sword. In case if it's a bad sheep. I see a pig. Nobody gonna get. What? Did that even fill up my hunger? Oh my. A sheep. Yes, a sheep, a sheep! Yes. Oh no. There any more sheep? Please have more sheepies. So I can make a bed so I won't have to go in creative. Please give me more sheepies. I'm not going that far because I don't want to lose my house that I wrecked. Yes. Best day ever in my life. Yes, now I can make a bed. Finally. Oh no, but I'm sorry for killing the sheep. Okay, but now I'm gonna starve to death. I'm gonna starve to death. But I can now make a bed finally. Well, let's put it down. Okay, what do we need to make a thingy? I need coal and 2 wood. Oh, do we have to go mining? Oh no, it's getting late. I'm not going mining, even though I'm almost dead. Oh, that filled up my hunger. Can I eat leather? Open up into it? Okay. I think I have to go to sleep now. Yay! And my respawn point set. There's a lot of animals here, so... Oh no. I am not getting close to that zombie. Let's see how long this video is. It's 10 minutes. Okay, guys, but goodbye. Have a nice day and stay cool. So